Squeeze. Give him a hug. Give him a hug. No,
Squeeze him.
Squeeze.
I have a question.
Oh. Squeeze him.
Oh.
Stand him up.
Look at it, he's really something, isn't he? Look at that. Watch the kitten, he's going to attack. Right now, he's under you. Right under your seat. Give him a squeeze. What triggers it off? Sounds?
Yeah. You can clap, you can play music for him.
He's dancing. He's dancing.
Wait, that's the wrong mode.
Are you making it do
I
that?
don't know. You're supposed to be. I'll have to read it, but you're supposed to be able to play music for him, and he'll respond. See, that's the mic right there.
Ah. Got a little thread hanging out in the front. You want to trim that off? Watch,
Eric, that's right.
watch it. Oh, hang on a sec. Gotta play with the kitten.
I'll have to look at the modes, but yeah. Colt, penguin.
Oh, he's doing his dance. Look.
Happy feet.
What's with it? What's the stick paper on it?
Happy feet.
Hug. Hug. Oh.
Stand him up.
That's amazing. He's a little robot, isn't he?
Yeah.
Look at him. That's crazy.
There.
Shoot them happy feet.
Oh, is that his egg?
No.
Oh. Oh, he fell over. Grab the instructions. Or I'll look at them later. Don't worry about it.
Wow.
Wow. That's
Wow.
Christmas. That's cute.
Oh, look, he's dancing. Pretty neat. That's amazing. We just lost interest.
Yeah.
He wants bread.
So much going on.
Okay.
That's so cute.
What do you think of Eric?
You shouldn't make fun of someone.
Look at him turning around. I can't believe that.
I have a question.
Look at Eric. What do you think of Eric? Eric has a question.
A fly on it?
What?
It's Eric.
Wow. I knew it.
Eric. Penguin.
Where are we going?
Did he just imitate you?
No, he said, where are we going?
Oh, I thought he said Pango in.
Fluffy don't float.
That's
Fluffy
amazing.
don't float.
No worries.
No
worries. Shoot them happy feet. Hey, don't do that.
Don't step on the kitty.
You can dance, Colt, dance.
Dance with him.
Nice.
He thinks he's alive. You gonna dance with him? Dance.
Flying.
Did you say if you play music, he'll dance to the music?
Yeah, he has 2 modes.
Did I just trigger that on?
So.
Pretty advanced. You can buy a little robot like
All
that.
right, no. All right, buddy. Let's go get your milk.
Milk.
You ready for your milk?
Bread.
You want some more bread?
Some